So hi everyone. So what are we doing here, you may be asking? What I'm gonna be doing with this canvas is I am gonna be reusing or repurposing this canvas, and I have an idea in my head. So you're gonna see I have a circle. That means my painting is gonna be in my circle, and then I have another idea for the outer part. I do have it sectioned off here in the middle because I am going to be doing kind of like a moon reflecting off the water. So my blowout is going to be here, the moon scenery in the sky. The bottom part is going to be the water. And then for the second part of this video, I'm going to come in and I'm going to do the outside of this. So we will see how this turns out. If you have any canvases that you can repurpose, reuse them. Don't let them go to waste. So I'm reusing this canvas. It is a, let's see here. I want to tell you how. This is a 24 by 18 inch canvas. It is a deep edge. And I thought about hand painting the top here, but I am actually going to go in with the fluid paints and do a fluid art or a flow at the top here. And then I'll come in with my pen and make some details. And the same thing goes for the bottom for the water. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Oh, first of all, what I want to do is I am using Vivid Pebeo White. And this is going to take the center of this piece because this is going to be kind of like reflecting the moon color. So I'm going to layer kind of a circle right in here. Just like, wow, that was pretty neat. Okay. So that's going to be my moon right in there. Now, I am going to be adding Payne's Gray by Amsterdam. Let me see, shake it up a bit. So Payne's Gray I am doing on the outside. And I'm putting some in the moon as well. Okay. I think I should layer some more of this on the outside. Just like this. Okay. I do want some light blue, so some primary blue by DecoArt. Kind of like that. And some silver by Amsterdam. Okay. Now I am going to be adding some iridescent blue by Pebeo. And this I want to kind of add this way. Kind of like that. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead with some more blues in here. Okay, so some Prussian blue as well. And some Master Stitch Pearlized Carbon Black. Okay, I think that's enough. We'll see how this blows out. So let me go ahead and blow this out. Okay, so I think I like the way it looks. However, I think my moon needs some more interest. No black. My moon is off, so let's take care of this moon. Too white in the center, so I need to create something else here. Okay. And I think I'm gonna try to use the Marteza silver. Just like that. And let me try again. I'm still not getting it, but you know what? I think I can work with this. I'm gonna try once again and see. Try once again. Because so this is Floetrol and water. And I'm just gonna top coat this. This is gonna dry clear. So I am going to throw this on my painting. This is just to help the paint flow. am using Pearl Blue by Amsterdam. Okay. Pearlized Blue by Master's Touch. Okay. Pearl White by Amsterdam. And Pearl Waterfall Blue by Arteza. Okay. I'm going to torch this out. And I'm going to blow it out. Okay. So that is it. I'm going to let this dry.